Okay, so I'm going to show you a quicker way to normalize your sound. Not that the previous one wasn't quick, but you have to select it on each clip. So this was the old one where you select your audio clip, right click on it, and then normalize audio levels, and you can set it here. The other one is in the delivery page, where say if you choose YouTube settings, you can pretty much just select normalize audio and it will be preset. In custom, you go on audio, you choose normalize audio and you can still choose which ones you want to use. Sample peak, set your dBFS target level, or YouTube will be preset, and then you can add it to the render queue, and that's it. Yeah.